join the fun, it's animal rhyme. We've got our friends and sunny time. Let's clap our
Ring, ring, the phone goes hello, hello. Animals are calling, don't you know? A lion roars from far away. Good morning, let's start the day. Ring, ring, the ducks quack loud, splashing in puddles, happy and proud. A little frog jumps up with glee. Ribbit, ribbit, say hi to me. Ring, ring, the monkeys swing in trees, chattering greetings with playful ease. Parrots squawk in colorful cheer. Hello, hello, we're all here. Ring, ring, the kittens meow soft, purring greetings from high and loft. Puppies bark a friendly tune, wagging tails under the afternoon moon. Ring, ring, the cows go moo moo high, and sheep reply with a gentle baa nearby. Even the tiny ants march in a line. Hello, hello, we're feeling fine. Every animal takes a turn, sharing hellos, waiting their turn. Ring, ring, the phone chimes once more. Baby laughs as friends explore from the forest, farm, and jungle too. Animals say hello one by one to you.